Oh my God. Happy birthday, Andres. Wala ako nung pag-guess.
Okay lang.
Babawi ako dito. Oh my God.
Yeah,
No, I'm happy to see you guys. Oh my God. 11 million views. Grabe, scene drop. Kakaloka kayo. Ibang level.
Pero hindi po namin in-expect ulit yun kasi nandun yung fear namin na hala baka nagsawa na sila. Pero thank you guys kasi sinuportahan niyo pa rin kami at na-excite sila. Kasabay namin. Parang kasama namin sila dito talaga sa journey na to.
Ibang level.
Expect. Yung day na yun, may videocon kasi kami ng bagets. Kaya nagulat din ako, biglang may scene drop. Tapos nung nalaman ko na 11 million views in 24 hours, talagang nagulat kami talaga.
Kanina ayaw mo sumayaw, pero baka pwede mong gawin yung ginawa mo sa scene drop sa camera, yung lumapit ka. Dito lang.
Sasayaw ba ako ngayon?
Hindi, gaganyan ka lang. Yung gumanong ka sa scene drop.
Joke lang.
Hindi, di ba ginanon mo si JJ sa scene?
Yung scene ulitin ko? No, abangan nyo na lang.
Dito lang sa
Gagawin ko
camera.
sa cam?
Oo,
Talaga?
lumapit ka lang para makita lang yung kapugian.
Lapit ako. Nahiya ako, grabe ba't ganun?
Ba't nahiya ka? Camera lang to. Tao kami.
Sa camera nahiya sa atin, bali wala tayo.
Pero nahiya ka ba kay Ash nung ginawa mo yon? Like, kamusta yung scene? Kamusta kayong dalawa?
Ako
Oh my
naman,
gosh, ang intense. Sabi ko, oh my God! Parang feeling ko high school din ako.
Kasi wala naman kasi parang medyo sanay na din kami sa isa't isa.
Okay.
And alam namin yung boundaries and the limitations ng isa't isa. So, nandun yun.
Wow. Alam mo, may napansin ako, parang profound era. Kanina sa Q&A, ang ganda ng mga sagot mo.
Ay, talaga?
Parang dumidip, may pinaghuhugutan, di ba? May pinagdaanan ka ba? Ano ba nangyari?
Wala naman po, nag-pray lang ako bago mag-start. And kanina, hindi ako ganun kinabahan. Kasi pag kinakabahan ka, parang mas ino-overthink mo yung sasabihin mo, tapos parang mas walang sense yung sinabi.
Pero ang ganda. Even you, Andres, like, wow, even imagine mo, your castmates commended you. Wow, in straight Tagalog era.
Nagulat talaga ako dun, pero parang nakilig ako dun ng konti. Pero yun, ang galing nga talaga na everything is happening and everything's working out for all of us talaga in Section E. Talagang di namin expect when the show first came out a year ago, you know.
A year ago?
Exactly,
how mind-blowing is that?
Galing nga eh. We never expected it talaga. And for all these good things to happen to all of us in the cast, it's really a blessing and we're just all proud talaga.
I love what also you shared about when you were asked by Tito Nestor na lightning does not, strike twice.
Yes,
That's what because it's true. Like, we see your hard work and now bagets. I don't think it's an easy feat because it's live.
Yes.
And your fans are gonna judge you live.
Yes, definitely not. It's definitely not an easy thing, any work that we do in our lives, it can't be that easy. Because if it's easy, then, where's the effort there? And really, I strongly believe that if you work hard enough and you want to achieve certain things, if you believe you're destined for something, you can really accomplish those things. I'm really a firm believer in that.
If sinabi mo, kasi di ba parang dito, nung una they were saying, hindi, anak kasi yun ni Aga, whatever. But no, you and Tash, parang na-prove nyo, you want to be here for the long haul.
Yes, yun nga. And para sa amin naman, me and Tash, really, since we're just new, I just came in a year ago. Really exactly like a year ago is when I started. Kasi Tash naman like almost 2 years na, so we've just really been all about trying to learn and improve and as much as possible to soak everything up, all the bits of information and knowledge that we can tungkol sa work. Talagang we're just trying to apply it as we go on. Yeah.
And ano palang regalo mo kay Andres? Dapat may regalo. Birthday niya.
Ay, ipon mo.
Puro ipon. How did you celebrate?
Sa birthday ko kasi I was in Japan on the day of. Yes. First time, that was actually the first time I was able to travel in like months. No, actually first time I had a long break in months, like more than 4 days, 5 days. So it was really refreshing talaga and well rested na ako for the rest of the year.
Eto na to. Nagpahumingi ka bang tips kay Ash dahil magaling siyang singer?
Oo naman, syempre tinaturo ko siya kasi we're on the set, diba? There's a lot of dead time on the set and kapag may eksena kami, kumakanta talaga ako kasi pinapractice ko, diba? I mean, diba?
Sige nga, paano yung sayaw niya, Ash? Ikaw na nga sumayaw. Good job.
Yun nga.
Are you serious? Ano kinakanta mo?
Kahit ano, kasi basta anything that I hear, pinapractice ko talaga.
Hindi, tsaka nandun kasi talaga yung dedication niya to learn. And alam mo yun, nandun yung, parang gusto niya talagang ibigay yung best niya.
Grabe. At nasabay mo kay kay Kiefer, ah. Oh my God. Anong support na binibigay mo, Ash, kay Andres dito?
Ano, sinasabi ko lang sa kanya na kaya niya yan.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Tsaka nakikita ko naman na kaya niya talaga kasi nandun yung porsigido niya para gawin ng maayos yung trabaho niya. Kapag may ganun ka, magagawa mo ng maayos talaga.
And Andres, Manila's finest. Oh, wow.
Diba? Galing,
Ang dami, oo.
Yeah.
Actually, it's also a period piece. Kung siya 80s, ikaw
60s.
60s.
Yes.
Paano mo nang pinaghandaan yan?
Actually, tapos na kami dun sa mga heavy scenes ko, kaya mas nakahinga na ako ngayon ng maluwag.
With Papa P?
Opo.
I love it. O tapos?
Pero grabe, sobrang thankful din ako kay Papa P kasi sobrang bait niya.
Papa P talaga tawag mo.
Hindi, Sir Piolo. Nagaya lang kita. Sir Piolo.
Kasi di ba daddy mo siya? No, parang si Aga, di ba? Ang gwapo din. Oh my God, baka ano rin yung matawag mo. Ah, Sir Piolo.
Sir Piolo. Sobrang, kapag nagkakamali ako, hindi niya pinaparamdam na, baya nagkamali. Nandun na siya, parang naghihintay siya patiently, ganon.
Wow! Siyempre, nakabook ka na ba ng tickets for Bagets?
Wala pa po eh.
Wala pa, no?
Hingi na lang.
Oo nga.
Hingi na lang.
Oo, ano ang plano nyo sa Pasko? May break ba kayong dalawa?
Ako, may MMFF.
Oo nga, 27. Malay mo. Award.
Wow.
Susunod na si Andres. Susunod
Malay mo
na si
nga.
Andres.
Yan.
Susunod na si Andres kasi napaka highly anticipated din ng Bagets.
Yeah, yun nga. Sa December kasi, puro rehearsals kami sa December kasi we'll be preparing for the show that is to come on January 23 na. So, sobrang malapit na yun, di ba? Kaya,
We're so proud of you, dude.
thank you
Like,
so much, MJ.
how much you've grown in just a year. Sorry. And after AMSE, yun muna ako.
Water.
And after AMSE, sinasabi nga nila na parang nakakatawa yung fans nyo kasi, teka lang, hindi pa tapos yung AMSE, nagpo-promote pa sila. Nagdedemanda sila ng iba pang project.
Talaga?
Nakakaloka.
One at a time.
One at a time.
Para
And she's
mag-focus
sabihin.
din.
Correct, oo. Pero I'm sure may mga binabaton sila na proposals, etc. that you guys have been looking at.
So far kasi ngayon, we're just focused with AMSE. Kasi so far that's, may book 3 pa yun eh.
Yeah.
And you know, at the same time, sumasabay din yung Manila's Finest at yung Bagets. So right now, just taking it talagang step by step. And kung may opportunity naman, you know, why not? But yun lang talaga yun.
And successful naman. Congratulations, guys. Congrats. Gusto ko na kuripot mo. Ayaw mo talagang bumili. Ah.